Hi guys, you are watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. So today we will talk about 5-point ascent. If you haven't checked out my videos on 5-point descent from the last Tuesday, do check under the description below for more videos on that and any other related scuba tips, scuba facts, and eco dive living. So let's start talking about 5-point ascent. So what I have here, the familiar now, it is stalk. I like to use this familiar. I will explain why I pick stalk. Okay, so let's go through that. S, signal up. Okay, 2, we look at our time, how long we were in the water, because we do need to think about no decompression limit and for our safety stop count. Yeah, because it has the countdown 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then it's dash. You always ask your buddy what's your time left. Okay, so that we start going up. 3, air. So why I like this familiar again is because of that air. So air means air out from your BCD, because to go up you do need to get the air out from your BCD, not air in, air out. Okay, so why? Because later on, okay, when you kick, what will happen to your BCD? It will expand. So this is why you need to deflate. If you inflate and add air, what will happen? It's already expands, and you adding more air, you will go up like boom. Super dangerous. This is why I like to be a reminder for the diver that you need to get the air out. Okay, and air out by exhaling from your mouth, making as much bubbles, letting the boarders know that there is a diver coming up. Who else is blowing bubbles? Divers. So this is why I like that, because some of you will not have a signal marker buoy, where a lot of us, when we guide, we will deploy our signal marker buoy to let the boaters know that there's diver below, we're doing our safety stop, we're about to come up. But if you guys don't have that, by blowing a lot of bubbles, yeah, the more you blowing out, the more the bubble is obvious. Yeah, so then L, look up. Okay, not only looking that way, looking at the back too. So tilt your head. Okay, hoping that your buddy in front of you doing that together. So when you look there, you forgot to look at the back. He's looking at that view while you're looking behind him. Okay, look up and listen for boat. Okay, and the last one, kick. K is kick, to go up. So under the water, obviously when you want to go up, yeah, this is when either you is hovering, which is you being vertical, going up with your buddy, right? Or if not, when the weather is not permitting, is where we just play around and swimming at 5 meters for 3 minutes safety stop, where you should be able to do it in neutrally buoyant by looking at your buddy in sideways and tell them the 5-point ascent, like that. But again, under the water, you can't talk. So let's practice it in silence. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. 5-point ascent. So that's what you do, okay, as with your body. So this is always good to do it, and always keep it, and always do it beginning of the dive and the end of the dive, the 5-point things that you need to be doing. Thank you so much, you guys, for staying tuned to Mel's videos. Till then, bye.